Hi 10th class students, today we are discussing the example 13 and 14 problems in before exercise 1.5. See the problems. Page number 22, example 13. Solve 3 power x is equal to 5 power x minus 2. 3 power x is equal to 5 power x minus 2. How we solve this one time see here. So, these problems we have to do by using logarithms, taking logarithms on both sides. Taking logarithms on both sides. You get log 3 power x is equal to log 5 power x minus 2. So, one time see this one which is in the form log x power m. Log x power m formula already we discussed in the previous class. Log x power m is m log x. So, that x into log 3, same like here also log x power m. Think this one is m. So, log x power m is nothing but m log x. So, x minus 2 into log 5. Since from the supporting formula, that is log x power m is equal to m log x. Using this formula we have to write this one, x log 3 a minus b into c. So, expand this one, x into log 5, x log 5 minus 2 into log 5, 2 log 5. Minus 2 log 5 transpose to LHS and x log 3 transpose to RHS. You get 2 log 5 is equal to x log 5 minus x log 3. Here take x as the common factor, log 5 minus log 3. Now, that is 2 log 5 is equal to x into log 5 minus log 3. Therefore, x is equal to, transpose this entire one to LHS, 2 log 5 by log 5 minus log 3 is equal to x. Finally, conclusion is, therefore, x is equal to 2 log 5 by log 5 minus log 3. This is the value of x. In terms of the value of x is in terms of logs, we get the solution. Now, we are going to discuss the next problem in this exercise, that is example 14. Find x if 2 log 5 plus half log 9 minus log 3 is equal to log x. Interesting problem. One time check here. Two log 5 plus 2 log 5 plus 1 by 2 log 9 minus log 3 equal to log x. How we have to solve this one time see. This is the question. So, we have to write the log x is equal to 2 log 5 plus half log 9 minus log 3, that equal to 2 log 5, which is in the form m log x. M log x can be written as log x power m, that is log 5 square, same like log 9 power 1 by 2 minus log 3. So, log 5 square is nothing but log 25 log root 9 minus log 3, log 25 log root 9 is nothing but 3. It can be written as 3 square, square and square roots are cancelled, So log 3 minus log 3. Minus log 3 plus log 3 are cancelled. So log x is equal to log 25. Log are equal. No need to do cancellation. Both are equal. Log and log are equal. So that implies x is equal to 25. This is the value of x. These are the two problems. Afterward, we are going to discuss the exercise 1.5. Determine the values of the following. Very easiest problems. Each one do this exercise thoroughly, because these are very important exercise for us in this chapter. Okay, children. Now, first question in the first Roman. Determine the value of log 5 base 25. First question in the first Roman, log 5 base 25. How can we write this one? Log 5 can be written as root 25 base 25. Root 25 value 5 square, we will write this one. Square and square roots are cancelled, so that 5 can be written as log root 25. Again, log 25 power 1 by 2 base 25. Log a x power m like how? Log x power m formula is m log x 1 by 2 into log 25 base 25. You know that log a base a value is 1, so that half into 1. Since from the formula log a base a is equal to 1. Half into 1, nothing but 1 by 2. This is the value of the first problem. In the similar pattern, you have to do the entire problems from 2 to 8 problems. Children, you have to practice that one. If you don't know, I will say to you. Third problem also I will say to you. See this one. Third and ninth problem I will say. Log 1 by 16 third problem, log 1 by 16 base 2. How we have to do this one? Log 1 by 2 power 4 base 2. Again, 1 by a power m formula like how? 1 by a power m is nothing but a power minus m, that is 2 power minus 4 base 2. Since 1 by a power m is a power minus m. Again, formula log x power m. Log x power m is nothing but m log x minus 4 into log 2 base 2. You know the formula log a base a is 1, so that minus 4 into 1, nothing but minus 4. This is the solution for the problem. And go through the ninth problem in this exercise. Ninth problem, it is little bit of confusion. I will explain in detail. So that 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. The ninth problem in this Roman, 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. Simple manner, a power m plus n. A power m plus n. A power m plus n can be written as a power m into a power n. That is 2 square into 2 power log 3 base 2. 2 square value you know that already. That value is 4. This is in the form a power log n to the base a. A power log n base a is n. A power log n to the base a is n. So that its value is 3. 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12. Here write the applying formula. A power log n to the base a is equal to n. Here we have to write a power m into a power m plus n can be written as a power m into a power n. Once again I repeat the question. 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. A power m plus n, a power m into a power n. A power n. Since from this formula, 2 square value you know that 3. 2 square value is 4. 2 power log 3 base 2, which is in the form a power log n to the base a, that value is n. So, this value is, entire value is 3, 4 3s are 12. This is the problems in the first Roman. All of you have to do the problems thoroughly and post it in our WhatsApp group. Okay children, bye.